sure.
Yes, I understand you have problems with this question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll read the entire question first. The speed time graphs of two lorries A and B in a period of 24 seconds are shown below. In this case, it's at the side. At which instant were the speeds of both lorries the same? Correct your answer to 3 significant figures. So we're going to do two things. First, study the given graph and see how much information we can extract from it. And then using a graph, pinpoint the spot where the speeds of both lorries are the same. Let's take a look at this period. Okay, are you able to tell me the speed of lorry B?
25 meters per second.
Yes. How about lorry A?
37 meters per second.
Okay, good. Now we're going to look at a different section. This section. Okay, from 16 seconds to 24 seconds. What is the speed of lorry B?
25 meters per second.
Okay, how do you know?
The speed remain constant.
Okay, it's because of this horizontal line. That's how you know. Okay. Now, how about the speed of lorry A?
It decelerated constantly.
Yes, constant deceleration. Okay, good. So now we've interpreted the graph. We're going to make more observations. The question asks for a piece of information. What's that? The instant, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the speeds of both lorries are the same. Okay, now, can you pinpoint the spot where the speed of both lorries are the same? Yes, that's the spot. Okay, now we have to find the instant. Okay, so we have to find the instant. Okay, alright. So we need to find this piece of information. Now before we can do that, we need to know the duration here. Right?
Yes.
If you don't have the piece of information, you can't find the required answer. Now, I would like you to take a look at what you've observed about this part of the graph.
It is a right angled triangle.
Yes, it is a right angled triangle. Okay, good. In fact, it is more than one. Alright, you have another one here.
Yeah.
We have two. Okay, we're going to extract that triangle that you've seen just now. Let's have it here. Now you mentioned that it is a right angled triangle. So we're going to put in also the right angled triangle symbol here. Now, don't forget this triangle too. So let's draw the second triangle in here. And this is also a right angled triangle. Okay, good. Now let's put in some information in this triangle. What do you think is this length?
8 seconds.
Okay, how do you get 8?
24 minus 16.
Okay, good. This is 8. Now, I would like to find the length over here. What's that length? 37. Good. And how about here?
12.
How do you get 12?
37 minus 25 meters per second.
Good. So we have 12 here. Now, so I mentioned that we have to find this length, right?
Yes.
Let's call it x. Okay, now I would like you to take notice of this set of triangles, right? You can see that they are not ordinary triangles. This set of triangles is a special set. right? Now, are they congruent?
No.
No, obviously, right? One triangle is bigger than the other. So if they're not congruent, they are
Similar triangles.
good. They are similar triangles, right? Now, how are we going to make use of similar triangles to find x? I'm going to write here using similar triangles, and you are going to write down the steps for me. Can you try to find x using similar triangles?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, you've got the ratio correct. Now proceed to find x. That's correct. Okay, good. Well done. So x is equals to 22 over 37. Okay, great. Are we done yet?
No.
No, because we only found this duration, right? We are still not done. We need to find, okay, this part here. Now, how to find that instant of time?
Add 16 seconds to...
Good. So let's have you do it here, okay?
Okay.
Somewhere around here. Shall we do that? Okay. Yes. It is equal to... Yes. Good. Now calculate. Let's see. What's final answer?
18.6 seconds.
Yes, 18.6 seconds because you express it in 3 silicon fingers. Well done. So you can see, you can use similar triangles for this type of question. Okay, great. Thank you for your time, Laurel. Bye.
Bye.